Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how can you earn by the translation of Japanese language on Fiverr. So we'll discuss that later, but before that we are going to uh, understand about the word translation, and we'll read the short information provided on the Wikipedia about the translation word. So, without wasting much more time, let's go and let's learn about this word. Translation is a communication of the meaning of a source language text by means of an equivalent target language text. The English language draws a terminological distinction which does not exist in every language between translating a written text and interpreting oral or signed communication between users of different languages. Under this distinction, translation can begin only after the appearance of writing within a language community. A translator always risks inadvertently introducing source language words, grammar, or syntax into the target language rendering. On the other hand, such spillovers have sometimes imported useful source language, calcs, and loanwords that have enriched target languages. Translators include early translators of sacred texts have helped shape the very languages into which they have translated. Because of the laboriousness of the translation process, since the 1940s efforts have been made with varying degrees of success to automate the translation or to mechanically aid the human translator. More recently, the rise of the internet has fostered a worldwide market for translation services and has facilitated language localization. So that was the short information provided on the Wikipedia about the translation word. I hope now you've understood about this word and good idea about it. So now let's move forward to the Japanese language. We'll also take a look at the short information about Japanese language, and we'll search about Japanese language on uh, Google Chrome, and we'll search here Japanese language short overview to get the knowledge about this language, a little bit of knowledge. So here's the paragraph, and by reading this paragraph, we'll get to know about little bit of Japanese language. Japanese is an agglutinative, more timed language with relatively simple phonotactics, a pure vowel system, phonemic vowel and consonant length, and a lexically significant pitch accent. What is special about Japanese language? The Japanese language uses three sets of characters that have their own grammatical uses: kanji, hiragana, and katakana. Of these, kanji is originally borrowed from Chinese writing characters, but over time, Japanese and Chinese kanji have evolved in their own ways. So, that was the short information and short overview about Japanese language. So I hope now you've got little bit of knowledge and little bit of idea about Japanese language. So it's time to move forward to the main point. That is, how can you earn by the translation of Japanese language? So we'll go to the Fiverr official website, and you can say official platform for freelancing, and at Fiverr we'll search about Japanese language translation to get the idea about the competition and the, you can say, the worth, the prices, and much more. So here you can see there are a lot of gigs related to Japanese language translation, so the competition is uh high, and yeah, you have to work hard for your first order, and then you get handsome amount of earning uh, by doing this job on Fiverr. So let's check out one gig from all the recommendation page and let's get the idea about the worth and the pricing and much more. So here you can see here's a gig from Pakistan, and the title of this gig is I will manually translate English to Japanese, and he's charging for the basic package 1407, and for the standard package 5948, and for the premium package 11896. Till now he got his 1500 orders completed with 755 reviews and 4.9 stars rating. So it is worth to do this job on Fiverr, because there is lot of demand on the Fiverr of translating Japanese language. And yeah, you can start this job. You have just to work hard for your first order, and then you'll earn good amount of money through uh, Fiverr by doing this job. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you've understood everything about it. It's time to end this video right here. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. I love it.